today we'll be making one of my favorite desserts, which is called BUKO PANDAN. We'll be using this Sarap Pinoy gulaman mix. You mix it with boiling hot water, about 1.5 cups, and it looks like this. It becomes like gelatin, and then you can cut it up into squares. And you place this gelatin in the refrigerator for about 1 hour or 2 hours until it gets like a gelatin mold. And then you would need one all-purpose Nestle creamer. This is a thick white creamer milk. And then one BUKO PANDAN condensed creamer. This is like about 1 cup or 390 grams. And if you don't see this BUKO PANDAN, you can use a regular condensed milk. And then you would need one of these young shredded coconut. This would be found in the Filipino store or Asian market. I've already drained it and took out the water, removed the water. Then you will need tapioca, which would be 1.5 cup, or this is 1 1/3 cup. I've already cut the gelatin, so I'm taking the spoon and mixing it up like this. It was in the refrigerator for about 1.5 hours, and it's already ready to go. Then you take the creamer. This is just Nestle cream. It's not sweet. And then you can drain out the water from the coconut, the young coconut, and place that in. There's still a little bit of ice. By the way, if you don't have this BUKO PANDAN creamer, this condensed creamer, you can use a BUKO PANDAN flavoring, McCormick flavoring. So now I'll place my BUKO PANDAN creamer. I'll just place half of it, or more than half, a little bit more than half, and then mix everything together, along with the tapioca. These are the small tapioca, which are also called Sago. This is what I used. I used about half of it, or less than half. Mix it all up. So I'll add the other Sago, and then it should be cold or cooler, so you can place it in the ref to get cold. It's delicious. Hello, and we're back again. These are the ingredients that I used: all-purpose cream, Nestle, shredded young coconut, Lucia, BUKO PANDAN condensed creamer, but I only used about half. Sago, small. We had to place it in the water and boil it until it became clear. And gulaman mix, we had to place this, it's like a gelatin, and make jello. We had to place that in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And then now, this has been in the ref for about an hour, and it's a little bit more thick now, and it's ready to serve. It's cooler. You can serve it after 1 or 2 hours when it's cold. and try it out. This is how it looks. It's nice and thick, creamy, with the young coconut and gelatin and tapioca, which are the small sago. It's nice and thick. Well, thank you for watching.